I'm on this journey to taste every sparkling water in the world. And I know I probably won't get to every water before I die, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. And in order to get the most out of this journey, I want to know what I'm talking about. And so as I've been tasting these different waters, and you can check it out on the water table over at YouTube, and I'm going to be doing some of this on Instagram as well, I've been reading like crazy. And here are my favorite books about water so far. First one is Seltzertopia, The Extraordinary Story of an Ordinary Drink. Great primer on sparkling water. Wellsprings, this is a natural history of bottled spring waters. It's about all that water beneath us, where it's coming from. A little great book to think about. We'll learn how to think and talk about water is Fine Waters, A Connoisseur's Guide to the World's Most Distinctive. The Hidden Sea, this is groundwater springs and wells. Old one, but good. It helps me think about water in a neat way. Oasis, The Complete Guide. And then there's Bottle Mania and Bottled and Sold, two kind of critical views. And then Sensory Evaluation of Food.